Our journey begins right here, on Earth. A pale blue dot, as seen from space, it is our home, unique and teeming with life. Earth is perfectly positioned in the habitable zone of our star, the Sun. This prime location allows for liquid water, a key ingredient for life as we know it. From the vast oceans to the towering mountains, Earth is a testament to the wonders of the cosmos. We share this planet with an incredible diversity of life, all interconnected in the web of existence. Earth is just the beginning of our cosmic adventure. As we leave our home planet and venture further, we begin to truly grasp the vastness of space. Our solar system, with its planets, moons, and asteroids, is a cosmic ballet orchestrated by gravity. The Sun, a giant ball of burning gas, provides the light and heat that sustains life on Earth. Our journey takes us past familiar planets like Mars, the red planet that has captivated our imaginations for centuries. We encounter gas giants like Jupiter, a swirling mass of storms larger than all the other planets combined. Each celestial body holds its own mysteries, waiting to be unraveled. As we venture further out, we reach the edge of our solar system, a region known as the Oort cloud. Venturing beyond the planets, we encounter the mysterious Oort cloud. This vast spherical shell surrounds our solar system, a cosmic repository of icy remnants from the early solar system. It is here that comets, those icy wanderers of the cosmos, originate. These celestial travelers embark on journeys that can take them close to the Sun, their icy tails blazing across the night sky. Pushing further, we encounter Voyager 1, a testament to human ingenuity and our thirst for exploration. Launched in 1977, this intrepid spacecraft continues to send back data from interstellar space. Voyager 1 is the farthest human-made object from Earth, a silent ambassador carrying messages of greetings from our planet. The Voyager mission exemplifies our drive to explore the unknown, to push the boundaries of knowledge and understanding. It reminds us that we are not merely bound to our planet, but are citizens of a larger cosmos. As we leave the familiar behind, we enter a new realm, the vast expanse between the stars. Our journey now takes us into the Milky Way galaxy, a vast spiral of stars, gas, and dust. From our vantage point on Earth, we see the Milky Way as a band of light stretching across the night sky. This band is actually billions of stars, each one a sun like our own, many with their own planetary systems. At the heart of our galaxy lies a supermassive black hole, an object of immense density and gravitational pull. This cosmic monster, millions of times the mass of our Sun, warps space and time around it. Despite its destructive potential, this black hole plays a crucial role in the evolution of the Milky Way. Within the Milky Way, stars are born in massive clouds of gas and dust. These stellar nurseries light up the galaxy, creating breathtaking nebulae that paint the cosmos with vibrant colors. As stars age, they eventually die, some in spectacular supernova explosions that seed the galaxy with the building blocks of life. Leaving the Milky Way behind, we encounter other galaxies, each an island universe unto itself. Our closest galactic neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy, is a spiral galaxy even larger than our own. Billions of years from now, the Milky Way and Andromeda are destined to collide, a cosmic dance that will reshape both galaxies. These galaxies, in turn, are part of larger structures called galaxy clusters. The local group, our galactic neighborhood, is a collection of about 54 galaxies, gravitationally bound together. These clusters are strung along vast filaments, like pearls on a cosmic necklace. As we venture further out, we begin to see the universe on a grander scale. The Laniakea supercluster, home to our local group and hundreds of thousands of other galaxies, stretches for over 500 million light-years. Zooming out even further, we encounter the cosmic web, the largest known structure in the universe. This vast network of filaments and voids, shaped by gravity and the expansion of the universe, is a testament to the intricate beauty and complexity of the cosmos. Within its intricate tapestry lie countless galaxies, each with its own story to tell. The universe is a place of endless wonder, filled with mysteries waiting to be unraveled. From the smallest particles to the largest structures, the cosmos constantly challenges our understanding and inspires us to explore further. As we peer deeper into the universe, we are reminded of the vastness of space and the preciousness of our own planet. The journey from Earth to the edge of the observable universe is a humbling experience. It reminds us that we are part of something much greater than ourselves.